So I started right out of college in metal casting. I think it's kind of like an art form. Places that I've worked prior, it's been like 1 or 2 different products. But here there's, over 1,000 products, which is kind of cool and interesting because there's always something new every day. I came and did a tour and I loved it. I fell in love from the first day. I mean, there's so many things that I love about WAF. I mean, I don't think it's like just a place to work. I feel like we're kind of like a family, not only with the people I work with, but the culture that they've created here. So it's kind of exciting. This is my end game. I hope to just kind of continue to grow with the company. I'm excited to be the first ever woman supervisor here at Wisconsin Aluminum Foundry, so that's exciting. I know that there's a lot of opportunities for growth, so I hope to be here until I retire. I think it's kind of cool because a lot of people used to think of foundries of like, hey, that's a man's game. Like, there's not a place for a woman, and I'm kind of proving that that's different. And it's exciting to see how many women, especially mothers, that are coming in, and I'm really proud of the fact that they believed enough in me to be that trendsetter. Yeah, it's exciting. My daughters are in the healthcare field, and I tell them, I said, it's a great step up, but there's so many things that you can use after that. As a first responder, I use some of those skills. So there's so many things that this is kind of like a transition if you're looking for something even later on in life. It's great. We have so many opportunities for not only like machine shop, CNC, metal casting. There's just so many different opportunities. I think come and try it. The things that we're doing is on a different realm. It's something new, and it's not what people expect.